Today we're going to do some very basic customization. Basically, your applications need to be customized to be more like your brand or whatever your application is defining. So we're going to cover some of those basic things in this small and quick series. So we'll start with colors. So let's see how we can define colors, or we can use custom colors in our application, and how to make it more usable, more effective. So getting right into it, I'm just gonna have a simple function that returns a simple view. It can have hello world and some very basic styles, and I'll just fill in with more views. So just to use multiple colors in the application. This is a very naive and basic application. You don't need to judge me on it. Styles dot container. Not very pretty code, but alright. Something like that. It doesn't have to be pretty, we are just not into it. We can copy paste this item thrice, and we can do it body 1, body 2. So I'm gonna just dig into hierarchy of duplication. I'm gonna create a new folder, name it app or source or whatever you want. I'm gonna name it source, and inside it you can put your screens, your shared components, your everything. So what I like to do is I like to create a folder named utilities, and in it I'll make a new file named color.js. all right, we have color.js, and what we're gonna do now is we're gonna make an object that holds our color values and export default colors. I can I can go into the Chrome and search for the color course. You can put hex or RGBA or RGB, whatever you like. I like to work with hex normally. I pick one color and this looks like aqua green, so I'll say aqua green and put the code inside, and then I'm gonna pick some shade of red, get some good shining orange. Whatever your colors are, what maybe you are given some colors through your designer, or maybe you have a color theme in your application. It doesn't matter, you just so we have our custom colors here. You can add as many colors as you like in here. Like I have this application of mine and it has lots of colors in there. Go back in our main application and import a file, and now you can use those colors. I'll say give it colors.gray. I can get the gray here, those custom colors anywhere I like. So basically the purpose of defining the colors in a separate file is to maintain them easily. Like for instance, if I go ahead and want to change the red color in my application later in the future, I would simply go ahead in my color file, and that red color is used in multiple places in the application. The one thing is you can go and replace all that. For the case of usability, for the case of maintenance, it's easier to put them in a separate file and use them like that. So for instance, I want to change a red color to a different shade, like I chose this one before, and I want to make it a bit darker, and everywhere in the application I use it, I want to change it to a bit darker shade. So I'll simply go ahead and darkness. So basically the point is this color could have been used multiple times in your application, and now by a simple change in a single file you can easily change it throughout your application. So that's it. You can put any color you like in the file and use it through the app like I showed you. It's very cool to use it like that. It's very usable. I can't emphasize it enough that how good and how easy it is to use it. That's it. That's a wrap. Alright. Bye bye.